Hello, I'm going to be showing you all of the processes that will be taking place in the laboratory called Chemical and Physical Changes. Here you all have the gray lab sheet. You can see that there are parts A, B, C, D, E, F, G on the back, and I'm going to be going through each one of those steps to show you the observations you would make here in the lab. Here's another grid that goes with this lab. I want you to notice that as we do these processes, in the first column you're going to write down what chemicals we used, either the formulas or the names. In the second column you're going to draw a line, tell me what everything looked like before and what everything looked like after whatever process took place. See, I have to be careful because some of these will be chemical and some of these will be physical processes. If there are any physical changes, you write only the physical changes in this box and only the chemical changes in this box. You might not have anything written in every box, so beware of filling in these boxes very accurately. In fact, sometimes students want to redo this whole set of grids because they have changed their mind after they've done all the labs. So here I have part A. I'm going to set up part A for you. This is lead nitrate. You'll notice that there are special disposal instructions with this part of the lab. I'm going to take lead nitrate and I'm going to take a small pea-sized amount of it and put it in a petri dish of distilled water, deionized water actually, and let it just sit there. I'll take a second chemical, potassium iodide, and put about a pea-sized piece at 3 o'clock in the same petri dish. So what I have are two chemicals sitting at opposite sides of a petri dish half filled with deionized water. Now I'm going to assume that 10 minutes changes, 10 minutes takes place, and here's what it looks like after 10 minutes. Oh my goodness. Inquiring minds want to know, what is this that's happening? I put the Ki way over here at 3 o'clock. How did something happen here? I put the lead nitrate way over here at 9 o'clock. How did something happen? And I wonder why whatever process occurred didn't occur in the middle. What is it telling us about these two chemicals that where they met was not right in the middle of the petri dish? This is one of the most beautiful reactions that I can ever show you, but I also have to dispose of it very carefully. This is not one of the components of the lab, but this is such a unique observation. I want to show you that here I have already made solutions of lead nitrate and potassium iodide. You'll notice that they are both clear and colorless solutions. You wouldn't be able to tell one from the other. But when I take one of these solutions and pour it into the other, I have a chemical reaction. Oh, sorry about that. I have something that looks like yellow paint. In fact, they no longer are allowed to make paint out of lead because this would be very poisonous. Thank you. That's the end of this, part A.